Cybug warning. This is a Cybug warning. This is not a test. The news reported a Cybug warning. Cybugs can stop wrong. Cybugs do not stop. They can eat, kill, multiply. Go to a basement or bunker if you don't have a basement. Travel.
This is the emergency broadcast system. All other programming will be suspended for an indefinite time. This is the emergency broadcast system. Four missiles from the unknown source reported last year have been sent towards us. We repeat, new missiles have been sent towards us. Find a shelter immediately. This message will not cut off.
Cybug warning. This is a Cybug warning. When a Cybug warning happens, go to the basement or bunker. If you don't have a bunker, then travel to Philippines, safe country. Supplies that you need: bottled water, milk, non-perishable food, chips, noodles, flashlight, batteries, robots, electronics, clothes, suits, towel, shampoo, bathroom stuff, everything. Also baby essentials. This is not a test.
This is not a test. This is an emergency broadcast system. Cybug warning. Cybugs are extremely violent. They could eat, kill, multiply. F. It's sended an unt news and rescue.
次のメッセージが送信されます。サイバグウォーニング、サイバグウォーニング。これはテストではありません。これは J アラートです。サイバグは様々なフレーバーのサイバグをすべて食べて人を殺します。地下室、バンカー、またはゲームの中央駅に行き、